Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So as you can see, I have two packages here. Basically one is coming from Adidas and the other one is coming from Yeezy Supply. They actually did pretty much a big restock of this shoe. It was a hype shoe before, but Adidas and Kanye, I guess, decided to produce a lot more, so a lot more people can grab them. I actually had the original one, but I actually sold that. But I said I wanted to try it out, so let's crack this open right here. As you can see, they have different boxes. Basically, Adidas is a smaller box, and Yeezy Supply actually sent it in this big box. I'm not really sure why, but let's crack this open right here. This is the one from Yeezy Supply, and this one is from Adidas. Oops. Sorry. So as you can see, basically both are Yeezy Boost 700. These are the Wave Runners. Basically both are size 10.5. But as you can see, as far as the tags are different. Again, this one's coming from Adidas. This one is coming from Yeezy Supply. Yeah, again, both are size 10.5, but as you can see, the sizing, the tag, 10.5 over here. And then they have a big 10.5 on the Yeezy Supply box. So I don't know, why they have two different versions, but I also noticed that the one from Adidas doesn't have that chip inside like this one will have. It will say that right there, but the one from Adidas does not have it. So right, let's crack them open right here. Again, there'll be the slide out box. From Yeezy. All right, so again, just a quick look at the Wave Runners. You guys have probably seen a bunch of these since, again, they did a massive restock of this shoe. But again, you do have the black bottom, and then you have the little sections where you can actually see the boost. Get the hits of the orange, and you have the different materials up top. You have like the mesh, you have those suede, leather up there. Then you got the yellow laces, like a yellow lime, color. You have the Adidas branding inside. Same thing on the other shoe. And again, the one from Adidas does not have the chip on the tag, but the one from Yeezy Supply will have it. Yeah, basically we'll have this tag over here, which will have the little chip inside. But so they did come from like different locations. The one from Yeezy Supply, I believe, came from California, and the Adidas definitely did not. Well, as far as the shipping, didn't come from California. I think it was like, I forgot exactly where, but it was like more towards like the southeast section. but I know it didn't come from California. But yeah, just a quick look at the Yeezy Boost 700. Again, I know one of these will probably go to an Instagram follower because he needed like a size swap, because he has a 10 and he needed a 10.5. So I might actually just do a size swap with him to help him out. But right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Right, YouTube. Peace out.